Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm gonna show you that how can you restore your achieved post on your Instagram account. So you just have to go on your Instagram here on your mobile phone, and I will just click on my profile option on the right top here. Right bottom here. So when you click on the right bottom, you can see this is my profile here, and I will just go on the three dots of the profile on the top of the screen, right top of the screen you can see, and this is achieve. I will just keep a one photo and one post here just to show you that how can you restore that photo or that video on your account. So after that, we will click on the three dots on the right top of the screen, click on it, and you can see there is an option called archive here and post archive. So you will just have to restore your post archive from this option here present on your mobile phone. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with you.